Welcome to the channel. Let's see what you know with today's quiz. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe. Which tree is known as the king of the tropics? Mahogany, kapok teak, or balsa? The correct answer is kapok. Which plant produces the fruit known as durian? Mangrove, durian rotten, or kapok? The correct answer is durian. What type of plant is a rattan? Climber, epiphyte, shrub, or herb? The correct answer is climber. Which plant is known for its large buttress roots? Figure, palm, eucalyptus, or cedar? The correct answer is figure. Which tree is a source of natural light? Rubber, mahogany, kapok, or balsa monterey? The correct answer is rubber. Which flower is considered the largest in tropical Antilles? Rafflesia, orchid, hibiscus, or jasmine? The correct answer is Rafflesia. Which plant is carnivorous and found in tropical forests? Pitcher, fern, ivy, or moose? The correct answer is pitcher. The Brazil nut tree is known for producing what? Seeds, fruit, nuts, or leaves? The correct answer is nuts. Which tree is the primary source of cinnamon? Cinnamomum, oak, maple, or pine? The correct answer is cinnamomum. Which plant in the Hadouan is known for its striking red leaves? Croton, bamboo, palm, or ficus? The correct answer is croton. Which tropical plant provides the fiber known as sisal? Agave, rattan, kapok, or rubber? The correct answer is agave at the young. Which thorny tree is renowned for its extremely hard wood? Ironwood, balsa, kapok, or mangrove? The correct answer is ironwood. Which type of tree is common in mangrove ecosystems? Rhizophora, baobab, maple, or fir? The correct answer is Rhizophora. The vanilla flavoring is derived from which plant type? Orchid, fern, moss, or palm paxil? The correct answer is orchid. Which plant family dominates tropical haystone canopy? Dipterocarps, conifers, grasses, or fig? The correct answer is Dipterocarps. Which fruit is often called the miracle fruit in italics? Syncypalum, durian, mangosteen, or papaya. The correct answer is Syncypalum. Which gunma tree produces the famous mahogany wood? Sweetenia, teak, eucalyptus, or acacia? The correct answer is Sweetenia. Which leaf type is most common in tropical and durable plants? Broadleaf, needle scale, or lobed? The correct answer is broadleaf. Which plant is known for ethnobotanical medicine in Hazelix, Catranthus, cactus, juniper, or yew? The correct answer is Catranthus. Which fern species is all called in tropical or Lavender growth? Tree fern, maidenhair, bracken, or ostrich? The correct answer is tree fern. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.